Hello everyone, welcome to Anvi Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about the advantages of rechargeable hearing aids. Hearing aids have undergone remarkable advancements in recent years, and one notable innovation that has gained popularity is rechargeable technology. Rechargeable hearing aids offer a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional disposable batteries. In this podcast, we'll delve into the advantages of rechargeable hearing aids, highlighting the benefits they provide to users in terms of convenience, cost effectiveness, and sustainability. Easy and convenient. Rechargeable hearing aids eliminate the hassle of constantly changing batteries. Instead, they are equipped with built in rechargeable batteries that can be conveniently charged overnight or whenever needed. This eliminates the need to carry spare batteries, worry about battery life, or struggle with intricate battery replacement processes. With rechargeable hearing aids, users can enjoy the simplicity of charging their devices just like any other electronic device. Extended battery life. Modern rechargeable hearing aids include longer lasting batteries that enable users to use them for longer periods of time before needing to recharge. On a single charge, several models can power a hearing aid for an entire day. People with active lifestyles or those who frequently forget to change their batteries will benefit the most from this. Longer battery life gives users peace of mind that their hearing aids will function uninterrupted throughout the day. Cost effective solution. Rechargeable hearing aids have a little greater initial cost than conventional battery powered devices, but they are more cost effective in the long run. Over time, disposable batteries can mount up and become more expensive to replace on a frequent basis. Rechargeable hearing aids, on the other hand, do away with the requirement for continuing battery purchases. Users can lower their long term cost and the environmental impact of throwaway batteries by using rechargeable hearing aids. Environmentally friendly. Rechargeable hearing aids contribute to a greener environment by reducing battery waste. Traditional hearing aids require frequent battery changes, resulting in a substantial number of disposed batteries that end up in landfills. In contrast, rechargeable hearing aids significantly reduce battery waste as they can be used for several years with the same built in battery. By opting for rechargeable devices, users can actively contribute to a more sustainable future. User friendly charging options. Charging rechargeable hearing aids is a straightforward process. Most devices come with charging docks or cases that serve as a secure and convenient storage solution. Users can simply place their hearing aids in the charging dock overnight, ensuring they are fully charged and ready for use the next day. Some models even have quick charging capabilities, allowing for a rapid boost of power when time is limited. The user friendly charging options make the process seamless and accessible for individuals of all ages. Accessibility and mobility. For individuals with dexterity issues or visual impairments, changing tiny hearing aid batteries can be challenging. Rechargeable hearing aids eliminate this difficulty by providing a more accessible solution. Users only need to place the hearing aids in the charging dock or case, eliminating the need for intricate battery replacements. This improves independence and mobility, making hearing aid usage more inclusive for all individuals. Integration with connectivity features. Rechargeable hearing aids frequently have access to cutting edge connectivity technologies such as Bluetooth connectivity or app compatibility. With the aid of these technologies, users may easily link their hearing aids to other gadgets for better audio streaming, hands free calling, or individualized control options. Users who utilize rechargeable devices can fully benefit from contemporary hearing aid technology without being concerned about battery life. Rechargeable hearing aids offer a range of advantages that significantly improve the overall hearing aid experience. From the convenience of easy charging and extended battery life to the cost effectiveness and environmental benefits, rechargeable devices are revolutionizing the way we use hearing aids. With user friendly charging options, improved accessibility, and advanced features, the new generation of rechargeable hearing aids offers a convenient and enhanced experience for individuals with hearing loss.